Every morning, millions start their day with a specific concoction of powders and liquids. They are chasing a promise heavily marketed across social media, a simple, effortless drink that can strip away body fat and detox the system before breakfast. But when we look at the clinical reality of gastrointestinal biology, the vast majority of these miracle morning routines are a complete digestive illusion. We are conducting a strict audit of these daily rituals. By stripping away the viral marketing, we can look specifically at what these ingredients actually do to human anatomy. Mastering your morning digestion requires moving past the search for a magic pill and looking instead at evidence-based ingredients and genuine anatomical function. To understand how any drink affects weight, we have to look inside the gastrointestinal tract. This system is the actual prerequisite engine for managing your weight and energy levels. This diagram shows metabolic extraction. When your gut efficiently processes nutrients, it stabilizes blood sugar and regulates energy available to your cells throughout the day. Without efficient extraction, the body struggles to maintain the caloric stability required for sustainable weight management. Fixing digestion isn't just about avoiding discomfort. It is the biological groundwork required before any weight management can even begin. We begin the audit with pure water. After 8 hours of sleep, your gastrointestinal tract is dormant. Water provides the mechanical force needed to kickstart movement in the gut. There is a common myth that drinking ice-cold water shocks the metabolism into burning more fat. In reality, the energy required to warm that water is so minimal it has no measurable impact on your daily caloric deficit. Ginger is our first active ingredient. Clinically, ginger is known to promote gastric emptying, which physically moves food from the stomach into the small intestine more quickly. This shows how organic compounds accelerate physical movement. In the gut, ginger acts as a motility agent, sweeping the pathway clear of stagnant debris. Green tea also shows a documented effect. It contains catechins, which provide a gentle, measurable nudge to the resting metabolic rate. While ginger and green tea optimize internal flow and energy, these are minor physiological adjustments. They are helpful tools, but they are not weight loss miracles. Next, we look at the highly popular acidic ingredients, primarily lemon and apple cider vinegar, to analyze their actual physiological impact. Apple cider vinegar's primary utility is its potential to blunt blood sugar spikes. However, this effect is only relevant when it's consumed strategically just before a meal. Lemon water is often touted for alkalizing the body, but this is a myth. Your body tightly regulates its own pH levels. Lemon simply provides flavor and a small dose of vitamin C. Then there is psyllium husk, a soluble fiber. This diagram shows the fiber expanding into a dense gel that physically traps bile acids and other compounds. As this gel expands, it stretches the stomach lining. This sends a physical satiety signal to the brain, helping naturally control appetite by making you feel full for longer. These ingredients don't burn fat directly. Instead, they engineer a physical environment that suppresses cravings and manages how your body handles sugar. But these potent ingredients carry risks if they are used improperly. This erosion demonstrates the power of undiluted acid. When these liquids hit a protective surface, the chemical reaction is immediate. Consuming raw apple cider vinegar or lemon juice can permanently strip away tooth enamel and lead to severe acid reflux if the liquid isn't heavily diluted with water. Psyllium husk also carries a mechanical risk. Because it expands so much, it must be consumed with large volumes of water to prevent it from causing a choking hazard or an intestinal blockage. If you have a pre-existing gastrointestinal condition or take regular medication, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting this routine. We can now translate these audited facts into a safe and actionable daily routine. This timeline shows the proper application: diluting your vinegar, spacing your green tea away from meals to ensure proper iron absorption, and consistently staying hydrated when using fiber. True digestive wellness isn't achieved in a single morning. It is the result of the compounded effect of repeating these evidence-based steps every day for several months. No single drink will provide rapid weight loss, and it is important to ignore claims that suggest otherwise. A science-backed morning drink is simply the initial spark. It sets the biological foundation that allows your metabolism to function effectively over the long term.